To download Wireshark, open your web browser and search for Wireshark download for Windows. Okay, so we're going to search for Wireshark download uh, download for Windows. Okay, so click enter, and then we are going to click on this first link, Wireshark Go Deep Download. Okay, so or you can click on download. Okay, anything you want. Okay, so we can click on download. So let's click that and then wait. This way, so we are going to be taken to this page, and then we can scroll down, and then we choose. Okay, we choose our operating system. Okay, choose the installer for our operating system. So after clicking on that, our download is going to start right there, as you can see. So we have Wireshark executable. It's downloading. Okay, but I've already downloaded that file, and I'm not going to download it. Okay, so first wait wait for the download to finish. Okay, so wait for it to finish, and when it's done, go inside your downloads folder, and after going there, you are going to search for Wireshark, and after searching for it, you are going to right click, and then you can start your setup and then follow the guides. Okay, you can follow the guidelines. Okay, so just we are going to right click, and then we run as administrator, or we can just open by double clicking.